Good morning, guys. It is Friday, April 12th. It is sunny, sort of. First time in a long time. We had a lot of rain last weekend, so I didn't do any sawing, but tomorrow morning, Saturday the 13th, I'm going to be headed to the Wood-Mizer store in Fairview, Oregon. They're having their 2019 open house where they demonstrate all the sawmills. It's supposed to rain. We'll see if we do any filming, but I'm also going to be met there by Andrew, the bearded giant, and his brother-in-law, Gary, the bearded woodworker. And I'm really hoping that we'll be able to do some filming between the three of our channels and share with you some of the cool sawmill stuff. But first of all, I got a call last night from a guy wanting some timbers for a structure that he's going to build over his hot tub out in Hermiston, Oregon. So I'm gonna pick through this giant pile of logs behind me and pull out some Douglas fir to make into 6x6s and 6x8s from 10 feet long to 16 feet long. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna get this 12-foot log squared up. First off, I'm after some 6x8s that are 12 feet long. I need 2 of them. Whatever's left, I'm gonna make 10-foot 6x6s out of. I need 8 of those altogether. Now this log had a pretty good bend in it, so I've cut out as large a cant as I can. I've got a little bit of wane here. I think I can get my 2 6x8s out of this half of the log, and I think I can get a 6x6 out of the top half without any wane in it. And out of that first log, I ended up with two 6x8s, 12 feet long, and one 6x6, 10 feet long. I could probably make a couple of 2x out of those flitches, but I'm not after that today. I did end up with some other dimensional lumber, smaller stuff, that's just a byproduct of getting what I need. So let's get another log up on the deck. This log gets pretty ugly up a ways. I'm hoping I can get my 10-foot 6x6s. Really big, ugly knot is at about 11.5 feet, so I'm going to cut it off at about 10.5 and make my 6x6s. I'm hoping I can get one 16-foot 6x8 out of this next log, but it's going to be tricky. It's not real straight. Let's get it up there and see how it goes. This thing has a pretty good wow in it. I think I'm going to be lucky to get a 6x8 out of that full length. Well, I knew I was asking a lot of this log, but that little bit of damage isn't going to fly, so I'm going to cut it off at 10 feet, make one more 6x6, and the rest will be firewood. Well, I'm gonna haul this lumber home after I finish cleaning up my mess here. Tomorrow, stay tuned, it's going to be all the beard you can handle with the bearded giant, the bearded woodworker, and myself, hopefully working on the sawmill. So be looking for that tomorrow, and thanks for watching today. We'll see you then.